Severe thunderstorm watch and a flood advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 74 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. For today, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms. High 90. Winds east at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. For tonight, strong to severe thunderstorms. Low 65. Winds east-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. On Wednesday, morning showers. High 81. Chance of rain 50%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
$574 if you switch. Okay. So what about $500?